Welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing a rich and comforting hot chocolate drink. Thick, smooth, and perfect for chilly evenings or cozy nights at home. Let's start the recipe. Take 50 grams of dark chocolate and cut it into small pieces. Dark chocolate gives a deeper and richer flavor than milk chocolate. Use good quality dark chocolate for best taste. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon corn flour with 1/4 cup milk. Mix until smooth. Keep this mixture aside. Now pour 2 cups milk into a pan. And let it boil. Add the prepared corn flour mixture and mix well. Corn flour helps create a thick cafe style texture. Now add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and stir until combined. Cocoa aroma enhances the overall drinking experience. Now add the chopped dark chocolate. Let it shimmer for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring continuously until thick and smooth. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. Serve the hot chocolate in cups. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants. Warm milk helps relax the body. Sprinkle cocoa powder and some dark chocolate on top. Homemade hot chocolate avoids artificial flavors. Consume in moderation, it can improve mood. Your hot chocolate drink is rich, creamy, and perfectly comforting. Enjoy it warm on a cozy day or festive evening. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more cozy homemade treats.